It's time to say goodbye waste and hello healthy skin. Today we begin a new era of eco-friendly face masks, and it's not a second too late. Be good to the earth. Be good to your skin. Skin Nutrients Red Wine Refining and Exfoliating Mask is a 2-in-1 formula. First, it works by refreshing the outermost layers of the skin. Second, the red wine extracts help to tighten the skin, making your pores smaller. And most importantly, it's jam-packed with antioxidants, which help to protect and strengthen the skin. So, what makes it good for the earth? Last year, 130,000 tonnes of wine waste was produced in South Australia alone. This may not seem like a major issue, but so it turns out the waste is very hard to safely and economically get rid of. Winemakers can't really feed it to livestock because of the acidity levels, and although some use it in their crops as a fertiliser, most winemakers have to store it in large metal silos as it breaks down over time. So we decided to find a way to use this as an ingredient in our skincare range. And don't get me wrong, it's not as straightforward as putting wine garbage on your face. We use an advanced extraction method to get all of the nutrients from the wine waste and turn it into a product that loves your skin. We start by collecting the fresh wine waste from our local vineyards, then send it to a specialty freeze-dry facility, where the waste is ground down to about 2mm particles and freeze-dried over time. We make sure not to heat any of the product because it can lose all of its nutritional value, such as an awesome antioxidant called resveratrol, a type of natural phenol which fights off free radicals and has even been documented to reverse the effects of UV damage. After that, we combine the red wine extracts with other natural extracts such as aloe, witch hazel and citric acid, among other ingredients. These act together as a chemical peel while also moisturising the skin. And finally, we package it into our custom, easy-to-use doy packs. Although the pack may look small, the mask treatment can last up to 10 uses. And that's the equivalent of 10 trips to your local salon. So there's just a few reasons why over 10,000 consumers voted for our face mask to win Product of the Year 2020.